Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to stop Google Photos backup on Android mobile phone. Friends, due to some reason, if you want to stop auto backup of photos and video on Google Photo app, then you simply need to open Google Photo app. Here you need to press on the profile icon. Now press on photo settings. Now press on backup. Now to stop auto backup, you simply need to press here. Now you have stopped the auto backup on Google Photo app. So friends, like this you can very easily stop Google Photos backup on Android mobile phone. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.